So are you also content creator and you also find Sora to invite code? Then this video is just for you guys. In this video I will going to show you how to get invite code for free, and I will give you a trick where you get invite code and where you get a Sora 2 video access for free, guys. This trick is 100% working, and if you don't like my video then don't subscribe my channel. If you like my video then you will subscribe my channel. This is one of the guarantee. This is just thing I want. Okay, so as you can see, you have already connected to VPN, and you guys, many of you guys can see the Sora 2 users require the invite code for this, and you don't have the invite code. So what you will do, you just have to go to Google. Okay, so let me just go to Google without my wasting time. Okay, as you can see guys, I already connected VPN, and make sure to connect your VPN. You can use any VPN. Right now I'm using the free VPN. Okay, you have to go to Mind Video, guys. Just make sure to watch full video. Okay, you have to go to Mind Video. Now this is the platform which provide you Sora free access, guys. Make sure to watch this video, because if you skip this video then you will not able to find all the options. Okay, so make sure to watch this video. Now what you have to do, you just have to go to this Sora 2. Just have to click here. Okay, now try Sora 2 for free. As you can see, this Sora 2 is totally free. You don't have to pay. I will give you a proof, and I will give you a demo video as well, guys. Okay, so now what you have to do, as you can see, this is the interface. Now you have to click first the sign in. Okay, as you can see, you have to go sign in via Google. Guys, this platform may take your time. Okay, so don't worry, but it will give you 100%. As you can see, we just need to give the permission. As you can see, we already signed up. So guys, you can see we signed up successfully. Now you can see Sora 2 is live, completely free. You have to click this try it now option here. Okay, as you can see, I have clicked. Now this is the main step. You may see Chinese language, but what you can select, you can just select English from here. Okay, and it will get translated automatically. So you have to click again translate and try again, and it will come to English. Now you can see guys, Sora 2 free maintaining. Now it's showing occasionally unstable, but guys, trust me, it's working. I have tried. I am going to show you. See guys, here is the demo. I asked some of the text to, like, I asked some prompts to create a Sora 2. And I again asked some of the text like real CCTV footage. There are a lot of this demanding right now, and I created such a video. Again, it is totally free, guys. So what you have to do right now, you can see here it's showing 17, but don't worry guys, as soon as you start prompting, it will get started. Let me show you. So as you can see, you have to write your prompt and you have to just click create. Now just wait for a few seconds and it will start generating your prompt here. You don't have to worry about that. You may have to wait some 4 to 5 minutes of time, but it will surely working, guys. So as you can see, it started. So guys, this is the end of this video. So I hope you like this video. So if you like this video and if this trick is works for you, then please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.